Welcome to Toonie Panda.
Hi, little friends. Are you ready for some fun? Today we're going to learn bird names with the alphabet. Let's go. J is for jay. K is for kingfisher. L is for lark. M is for macaw. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for quail.
Our new full episode is linked. Tap the video title on screen to watch now, or find the link in the description. Subscribe and press the bell button on YouTube. Like our page on Facebook for more such videos.